Hello, good morning. I am Emily Mundlong. I am 40 years old this coming July. I got married with one child, daughter. My daughter is 17 years old. Um, I am trustworthy, honest, and hardworking. Um, uh, I know how to do the house chores such as washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, cleaning the house, taking care of kids, and even the car washing I can do. Um, I know how to speak a little Chinese Mandarin and a little Cantonese. Uh, I worked before in Hong Kong for 1 year and 1 year and 4 months, and also I worked in China for 4 years, and I worked in Malaysia for 1 year. And also, I do the part time in Macau for 4 months. Um, my work there is taking care of kids and also cleaning the house and car washing. Um, if I get hired, I promise that I make my very best to make my employer satisfied, and I I love I love doing the housework and taking care of kids. I hope I hope you hired me as your helper, and thank you. God bless.